Introduction. A PHP Sandbox is an isolated environment to test and run PHP code. It is used for assessing the reliability, performance, and security of code snippets before they are integrated into the main application. This sandbox offers a safe playground where you can experiment with different PHP functionalities, debug scripts, and learn about PHP programming. Setting up a PHP Sandbox, the setup requires an HTTP server, PHP, and preferably a database server. A prepackaged application like XAMPP or WAMP server can be installed, which includes all these components. A new .php file is created in the server's root directory to write and test PHP code. PHP Sandbox. PHP code can be written and tested in the PHP file. The file is saved and accessed through the web browser by navigating to localhost/yourfile.php. Benefits of using a PHP Sandbox. A PHP Sandbox provides an isolated environment, protecting the main application from potentially harmful code. It enables efficient debugging and testing. It's an excellent learning tool for those new to PHP. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Code running in a sandbox can't interact with the main application. A sandbox replicates a production environment but is not an exact copy. Some code may behave differently in production. If the sandbox is on a publicly accessible server, it needs to be secured to prevent attackers from running malicious code. To avoid these issues, use the sandbox for testing individual pieces of code, set it up to mirror your production environment closely, and ensure it is secured. Conclusion. A PHP Sandbox is an essential tool for any PHP developer. It allows for safe testing and debugging, and it's an excellent learning environment. With careful use, a PHP Sandbox can greatly enhance the PHP development process.